Today, I'll show you how to quickly find your Twilio account SID. First, log into your Twilio account at console.twilio.com. Enter your credentials, and if you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link to reset it. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, Twilio's control center for all account info. Here, your account SID is displayed prominently in plain text. It's your unique identifier for integrating Twilio into apps. If you're finding this guide useful, hit the like button for more quick tech tutorials. Right below the SID, you'll see your Auth Token, hidden by default for security. Click the icon to reveal it temporarily. Handle this carefully, as anyone with access can make changes to your account. For convenience, consider securely storing your SID and Auth Token in a password manager, so you don't have to log in every time. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your Twilio account SID and Auth Token. Comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides.